Hello everybody, here I am looking at the My Little Pony display, the Target. You can tell it's Target here. The reason I'm showing this one off for a little bit is because I've been voice matching for various pony characters for a while now. Namely, Rarity in the Playdate digital apps and the Blocks Worlds expansion. Princess Luna, if I can get this to focus, Princess Luna in 2 apps so far, but also this pony, Songbird Serenade. It's because they couldn't get Sia to voice like some of her stuff. Like, yes, she voices for her. Let's see if I can find her toy. Like, this toy is Sia. And the thing is that it's her voice singing. But, well, for the digital apps, she's not the one speaking though, so I had to voice match her. Anyways, the thing is that, speaking of Target, if I am correct, I also got to voice match Sia for one of the Target commercials as one of the background voices, where I get to play this toy of Sia because they couldn't get her for the commercial either. But I just thought it'd be nice to share what I've been up to, working really hard, and for 2 properties I really like: My Little Pony and Target. Yes. But anyways, I just wanted to let you know. Okay? Okay.